Goggling up? I know, so weird. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. The onion. I love onion. I cook with onion all the time. Onion is a staple in my pantry. I always have it. But it seems like lately, when I am cutting onions, and this is within the past year, my eyes start to water, they burn, they swell, and I've never had that happen before. So what I did is I purchased these glasses from Amazon. They're called onion goggles. And here are the goggles. They look a little weird, I know, but I'm gonna wear these today as I'm cutting up this onion for what I'm making tonight, and we're gonna see how it works, because I know what's gonna happen if I don't have these on. Look like I've been crying for years, puffy eyes, red, ugh. So let's see what happens. Here's what they look like up close. So they look like just a regular pair of goggles, but if you turn them, you can see it kind of wraps around the eye. And then this part here is kind of spongy, and it kind of is like it goes against your face so that nothing can come through, like a regular pair of goggles. All right, here we go. Goggling up. I know, so weird. And just start to finish. Here we go. Let's see. Usually when I'm cooking, I have all this stuff done and I don't have to bore you with it, but I really want to see if these work. And so far, so good. Because this is about the time when I start getting the skin off that my eyes start to water up. And nothing's happening yet, which is good. I'm just going to roughly chop up this onion. Oh, this is heaven. My eyes are fine. It's when I take these off that I'm worried. Nothing. My eyes are absolutely fine. Wow, okay. All right, here's my review on onion goggles. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Although right now I'm standing next to these onions and now they're starting to affect me now that I have these goggles off. But if you have sensitive eyes, when it comes to cutting onions, I strongly recommend getting these onion goggles. And I will leave an Amazon link in my description below. It's like a life changer. I don't dread cutting up onions anymore. Wow, this is great. All right, just to let you know what's coming up for next week, I have some oatmeal raisin granola bars that I'm making, caprese chicken, and possibly a ginger chai carrot cake, 1 layer. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day.